Hello, this is Peter from old Man King Homestead. Today's Wednesday. It was in the 40s and it rained very hard today. That trip yesterday really took a toll on my back. That was very sore today. I've had the heating pad on for several hours today and it's starting to feel a little bit better now. I was hoping to make it Dollar General at some point so I could get some water. But I don't think I should be hauling water if it's going to be bothering my back this bad, coming back with a loaded trailer. I did a little research today, and it looks like I can get a DoorDash order from Dollar General for no delivery fee. I hope that's true because I don't have any money to pay anything if they do charge a fee. But I'm going to try that tomorrow. So hopefully I can get some water. I did get some water out of the hose today. But I like to have bottled water for the cats and for myself. I'll use the water out of the hose for the chickens, and I usually make coffee with that. If I use that for iced tea, it gives a very funny flavor. So I try to stick to bottled water for that. And I'm quite particular on what I give the cats. So definitely need to get some bottled water for them. Chickens, I figure, they'll drink out of a mud puddle before they'll drink out of their water anyway. So even if I give them good water, if they find something on the ground, they're going to drink that first anyways. So that's why I'm not as particular with them. Because of my back being so sore, I wasn't able to get any filming done today. So I'm going to show you some clips from previous days. I'm hoping I can get back to doing regular filming here very soon so I can have new stuff every day. I got a text from my doctor's office today confirming my appointment for next Wednesday. So hopefully, after I see my doctor on Wednesday and get my medicines restarted, hopefully that will help out with my back. I'll let you watch the video now. Yesterday, I got some cat food, both dry food and canned food, some toe warmers, and some hand warmers. I'll show that stuff in tomorrow's video. I'm hoping I'll be less sore tomorrow, and I can get that stuff moved around a little easier. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Please like my video, and please continue watching. That's it for today. I'll see everyone tomorrow. Have a good one.